Hello, reading friends. It's me, Mrs. Davis from the Happy Place to Grow, and I'm getting that holiday feeling. What about you? Yes, the gingerbread man is running away, and the Grinch's heart is getting huge with giving and love. You know, we are thinking about Christmas and enjoying time with our family, and for sure getting out of school. But I wanted to give you a quick little shout out of some really cool stories and activities that I have on my YouTube channel that I'm going to link here in this little commercial for All Things Christmas. I have lots of gingerbread stories to share with you. There are so many versions of this wonderful tale. The gingerbread girl, hello. That one's definitely a cute one. I've got some stories, some math activities where you're measuring a gingerbread man. There's definitely some fun ways to take some regular, everyday craft materials and make math games. So even though it's almost Christmas break, you're going to want to tune in to a few great stories. I've got me with green hair reading How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I've got some recipes and some art projects that are all things Christmas fun. So I just wanted to shout out and say, I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I want you to check out the links in the description box that are all things Christmas fun, but all things learning. You can have fun with holidays by measuring, by mixing, by tasting and baking, listening and enjoying. So check out these links and have a very Merry Christmas. But don't forget to read. All right, I'll see you real soon.